Odisha Cricket Association may be under scrutiny for the ugly bottle throwing incident during India and South Africa T20 match in Cuttack on Monday. But it is the secretary, in fact, instead attacking those calling for action. So it's really, remember, it's Sunil Gavaskar had called for the Odisha Cricket Association ban. And Ashirwad Behera, who's the secretary of the Cricket Association, now says that Gavaskar actually takes money from the BCCI and it's the BCCI that needs to decide as far as there should be a ban or not Sunil Gavaskar. Manogya Loiwal, my colleague, now joins us on the phone line. Manogya, the Odisha Cricket Association secretary has taken a dig at the former Indian captain Sunil Gavaskar. So an ugly, in fact, spate of words out there.
Well, absolutely a verbal duel going on between Odisha Cricket Association, especially its secretary, who said that Sunil Gavaskar is paid for his commentary and he should stick to that. But not only that, he's also said that there was just one or two bottles that were thrown in a corner of the Cuttack stadium. Instead, there were hundreds of bottles that were thrown in Eden Garden during the match in 1990s, late 1990s. So, however, a comparison now is being thrown out. But besides that, we also have to understand it's not just about Odisha Cricket Association, but also more to it than meets the eye, because the match is telecast, is broadcast across the world, and it does bring a lot of defamation to the Board of Cricket Control of India also. So BCCI is now trying to ascertain on what would be the action to be taken against OCA, and also such kind of comments might also compel the BCCI to rip them off the further matches in future.
Okay, Manogya, stay with us. In fact, let's try and play out those comments made by Ashirwad Behera, where he has taken that sharp dig at Sunil Gavaskar and also leveled certain allegations against him. Let's listen into Ashirwad Behera first.
गावस्कर गोटे एड बड़ माने वर्ल्ड क्लास खेलाड़ी सी जो गोटे कमेंट्री बक्स में बसिक कमेंट करदे 5 वर्ष ओडिशा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन बैन हो गला कि तुम तो आस कमेंट्री कर घर को नहीं बीसीसीआई पैसा नब कमेंट्री करा जीव तुमको किए अथॉरिटी देला तुम बैन करने दायित्व तुम उपर अच्छी बैन कर तो बीसीसीआई बैन कर.
So clearly speaking in Odia there, Ashirwad Behera saying that Gavaskar has been, of course, a world-class player and he sits in those commentary boxes making those comments, but that does not mean that he has any authority to talk about banning the Odisha Cricket Association. It is really a call for the BCCI to make. Manogya, also tell us more about Ashirwad Behera, the man, and do the other Odisha Cricket Association officials, have they reacted as of now?
Well, the President did mention that they would look into the matter. A probe has been ordered by the Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, into the case on what were the lapses that led to this kind of incident that has brought so much of defamation to the state as well as the stadium and the world of cricket also. Besides that, as far as Mr. Behera is concerned, he has been always vocal about this. But a secretary of the OCA mentioning and stating such kind of facts, of course, it does hamper and hinder the kind of development prospects that OCA has. Remember, they have been at loggerheads earlier also on various issues. But this for sure is here to stay, because such kind of comments might be taken adversely by BCCI too.